Hey guys, today is shipping day at Pendarvis Manufacturing. I wanted to share this cool project we've been working on for several months now. Behind me are some welded assemblies that University of Northern California reached out to me last fall. Had a big project. They were building the world's largest digital camera. Need some frames to support it and hold it during manufacturing and when they ship it to South America next year. So the gentleman up there sent me a bunch of drawings. I gave him my input. A couple months later, got a big package to quote, and what you see behind me is a finished product. There's two towers, there's two slew rings, there's a cradle plate assembly, and there's a whole aluminum plate. I'm going to show you the details now. These are what's called the towers. There's two of them. They're about 7 foot tall. So on top of the two towers is this item here called a cradle assembly. The cradle assembly was precision machined. The ends are parallel and true to each other, probably within 15 thousandths max. On top of this cradle assembly is a surface here, which is going to hold this aluminum tooling plate. It's a piece of 2-inch mic 6 plate ground within about 5 flat and parallel, precision drilled and bored to mount the camera I spoke about on. So on top of the towers, you got a tower here, a tower there. On top of the towers is over here this thing called slew rings. These slew rings supports, hold these big bearings. So imagine this whole, it's almost like a trunnion. Guys in the machine shop world are familiar with a thing called a trunnion. This is basically a huge trunnion. Each slew ring will have its own motor on it. It'll rotate it and articulate it up and down and all around for assembly and use in the field. It's for the world's largest digital camera. Going to be in South America, in the deserts of northern Chile, to take pictures, huge pictures of space. So that's it. Peace out from Pendarvis Manufacturing. And oh yeah, check out, we got new stickers for the truck. Peace out.